आयतारा सकाळी 8 वरांचेर पंचायत मतदानाक सुरवात जातली। 6400 सरकारी कर्मचारी आणि 2400 पुलीस फोर्स इलेक्शना खातीर डिप्लॉय केल्यात। राज्य वेंचणूक आयोगाचे अधिकारी दुर्गा प्रसादान वेंचणुकेची पुराय माहिती दिली।
Poll for 186 village panchayats is scheduled to commence tomorrow morning from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. All the polling parties have already left from the respective distribution centers. Most of the polling parties have already reached the respective designated polling stations. Now the elections are going to be conducted in 1450 wards of 186 village panchayats, and total number of booths is 1217. Approximately 6500 poll persons have been deployed for conduct of elections. In addition to this, 2500 police personnel have been deployed for guarding the polling stations and also flying squads and mobile squads. The total electors for the tomorrow's election is 3,68,494 male, 3,81,191 female, and total electors tomorrow going to use the franchise is 7,49,685. The total number of contesting candidates is 5,223 for the tomorrow's poll. There are most of the polling stations wherever the waterproof windows are required already erected. In North Goa district there are 43 wards. In South Goa there are 27 wards have been identified: sensitive, hypersensitive and critical. In North Goa district there are 5 hypersensitive polling stations and 4 wards are to be sensitive. See, the documents, identity documents as already identified. Yesterday newspaper has gone. One is any other election card, number 2 PAN card, number 3 M-Narega card, and also passbook and government identity card issued by the government offices, and wherever the photo ID is there, that can be used as one of the document, which is already listed the 13 documents. So regarding Morlem Panchayat ward number 3, since we are not receiving any nomination, now the elections for that ward will be scheduled to be held in the next sequences, not along with the High Court directives. The 15 wards where the Supreme Court has given the stay of 10 panchayats and one panchayat ward number 5 was Chandur where the candidate deceased. For all these 11 panchayats of 16 wards, the elections will be conducted as per the High Court directives. The High Court has given the directions. The elections for these 11 for the 10 panchayats of 15 wards should be completed on or before 2nd July 2017.
आयतारचे वेंचणुकेत वट्ट 7,49,685 मतदार 1,450 वार्डातल्या 5,223 उमेदवारांचे भवितव्य थारायतले। पंचायतीची मतमोजणी मंगळारा 13 तारखेक आसा। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।